So we're going to get to the next problem for combined like terms. This is a wonderful example because it illustrates how different things can combine and different elements cannot combine. And you'll understand a lot of this in this one problem alone. It will cover a lot of little details. So you have x squared minus x plus y plus xy squared minus 4 minus 2x squared minus y minus xy squared plus 5. So you can see there's a lot of different elements. There's x squared, there's an xy squared, there's an x, there's a y, and there's numbers involved. So right now, let's start by realizing that you can only mix common like terms, like here. X squared, you can combine them. So it's x squared minus x squared, which is there's a 1 always in front of the x squared, right? So 1 minus 2 is negative 1, right? And negative, so it's a negative x squared. And then you find out where negative x is. There's no other negative x here to combine, so it's just negative x. And then the next one you do, you see y here. What other y's are here? Right here. So it's y minus a negative y. Minus minus means plus plus. Remember the negative numbers? So that'll be plus 2y. And then the next element is xy squared. Is there an xy squared in there? Yes, there is. There's one over here. Otherwise, if this says x squared y, you can't combine them. It has to be exactly xy squared as one element. It's completely always like sorting laundry. That's my best analogy for doing combined like terms is that you can do your blacks, you can do your whites and your colors and whatever whatever you're wearing. You have to separate them, because if you separate them, you're gonna have what happens. Your white underwear is gonna turn pink, right? So xy squared minus a negative xy squared would be what? 1 and 1. So minus minus plus plus, you get 2xy squared. You see how that happens? There's 2 of them, right? So now the only thing left is the numbers, negative 4 and there's a 5, and that's it. So it's negative 4 minus 5, and you would get negative 9. And that's how you combine these like terms. What will happen, let's say if you have x cubed here, and plus x squared, and minus 2x cubed, and minus 3x squared, and plus, let's say, 5. How do you combine like terms here? Well, x cubed, you can only combine together. You can't combine the x cubed and the 3x squared because they're different. Different laundry basket, right? So x cubed minus 2, 1 minus 2 is negative x cubed. And then you have x squared minus 3x squared. You can't combine x squares and x cubes, right? So x squared minus 3x squared, 1 minus 3, you get negative 2x squared. And then 5 is by itself. There's nothing to combine. And that's how you do this problems. So I hope that helped you with the combined like terms. I definitely will move on to factoring as one of my next lessons. Thank you.